Hey John, how are you? Fine, and how are you? I am waiting you for a while. Sorry, I'm late due to my brother that is not well from night. He usually eats junk food. Oh no, I've been thinking a lot about our food choices lately. I've been trying to switch to a healthier diet, more fruits, veggies, and whole grains. Oh, really? That's interesting. I mean, I get the whole health thing, but come on, nothing beats the taste of some good old junk food. Burgers, fries, pizza, you can't tell me you don't crave that once in a while. True, I won't deny that junk food is tasty, but I've noticed a big difference in how I feel when I eat healthier. More energy, better digestion, and I've even started shedding a few pounds. Well, aren't you the picture of health lately? But seriously, I get it. Health is important and all, but it just seems so hard to stick to a strict diet. Plus, I don't want to miss out on all the delicious stuff. It's not about being strict, it's about finding a balance. You can still enjoy tasty food while making healthier choices. Instead of deep-fried snacks, how about some air popcorn? And instead of a sugary soda, try flavored water or herbal tea. Popcorn and water? Where's the fun in that? But okay, I guess it's worth a shot. But what about the cost? Healthy food always seems more expensive. I used to think that too, but I've found that planning meals and buying in bulk can actually save money. And think about the long-term cost of poor health, doctor visits, medications, it all adds up. Fair point. But what about the social aspect? I mean, imagine going out with friends and ordering a salad while everyone else is enjoying burgers and fries. You don't have to completely give up the occasional treat. It's about moderation. If we're out, maybe I'll have a small portion of fries, but I'll balance it with a salad or something healthier. It's about making conscious choices. I guess you've got a point. Maybe I should start thinking more about what I eat. But don't expect me to give up my favorite snacks completely. Of course not. It's all about finding what works for you. But trust me, making small changes can make a big difference in how you feel. Alright, I'll give it a shot. Let's see if I can find the middle ground between tasty and healthy. Okay, see you tomorrow. Okay, bye.